How to delete Payoneer transaction history. The transaction history is an important record for financial and regulatory purposes, and deleting it might not be supported due to legal or compliance requirement. If you have a specific reason for wanting to remove or modify a transaction, such as correcting an error, you should contact Payoneer's customer support. So go to the Payoneer website and log in using your credentials. Look for a contact support or help option on the website. These may be accessible through your account dashboard or in the support section. Clearly explain your situation and provide relevant details, such as the specific transaction you want to concerned about. Remember that policies and features can change, so it's a good idea to check the latest information on Payoneer's website. That's it. Thanks for watching the video.